How to save web pages as a shortcut in Chrome. So here is how to do so you can access it quickly from your desktop or the taskbar. So let's get started. First of all, open Google Chrome and go to the web page you want to save. So here I'm navigating to the Netflix. Now once you're inside the web page you want to save, click on the three dot icon at the top right corner of your screen. And once you click on it, you will get to see a drop down menu appear. Then simply tap on the cast, save and share option available there, and you can see create shortcut option available right next to it. All you have to do is tap on the create shortcut, and once you tap on it, you'll have to give your shortcut or name, or you can simply keep it one that is given here and save it. And that is it. A shortcut icon will appear on your desktop. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.